Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an arch type of mask on CapCut PC. Pretty simple actually. You're just going to select your video. I'm just going to add it on top like so. Then I'm going to select the mask button and I'm going to select the rectangle button and I'm just going to place it here. I'm also going to press the reverse button here as well. It's going to place it like here, I guess. Then I'm going to right click, select create compound clip. Select the circle and press the reverse button again. And I'm just going to kind of place the circle where the square is, I guess, to create that arch type of shape. And once you're done with that, I don't know why there's a line. Okay, you can add in your video underneath like so. And as you can see, it creates this shape, I guess. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!